This hungry lion got launched into the air doing multiple backflips thanks to his poor choice of buffalo to mess with. That's a 10 from me. You probably think that squirrels are cute and vulnerable to other animals. As you can see here, that's not true. If they can crack a nut, they might as well wrestle with a snake instead. Pro tip: never stand behind a horse, especially if you're a goose. Here we have two tough dogs thinking they have a chance against this bull. Maybe they just wanted to show off some flips. In that case, we can't really blame them. Turtles don't bite that hard, right? I mean, they mostly eat salad and such. Well, this horse got to experience the exact opposite. These dogs thought that this tegu lizard would be easy prey, until they got to feel this lizard's full potential. They probably won't be messing with lizards again. Here we have a demonstration of the upcoming boxing champions, at least if we're talking punch speed, not so much in power. This lioness wanted to check if this hippo was wounded and ready to be eaten. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Snake hunting maybe isn't a dog's specialty in life, but playing with the dog toys at home has shown results. The lions are trying to kill their prey by biting it in the neck. The thing is, though, a giraffe has a really long neck that is far up. Good luck with killing that giraffe. Zebras are usually easy prey for lions, but not this time. This zebra is a real fighter, wrestling down the lion. This brown hyena was really hungry and didn't want to go hunt for his own food, so he just went in and stole some food from two leopards like a real badass. This little bastard kept trying to ram into these dromedaries, but they couldn't care less about him. They were just enjoying their meal. To make him stop, one of the camels tried to take a bite of his back and then continued eating. This little fox did not want to share his meal and got punished for it big time by this gigantic eagle. He got away though, but unfortunately without his dinner. If I was that snake, I wouldn't come back to this bulldog's home again. I don't know what this dog was thinking when he locked onto this huge bison and started running against him. He should be lucky he survived that one. This rhino doesn't like the saying, sharing is caring, as he makes this warthog fly in the air. The snake really wants to have a bite of this porcupine, but just can't get to him. You could say that this snake really messed with the wrong opponent. This bird tried to steal food from the eagle, but what he didn't know was that the eagle had insane reactions. Instead of stealing a piece of food, the bird almost became food. This tiger decided that today it is time to attack another predator. Maybe he shouldn't have done that because this sloth bear did not give up that easy and ended up attacking back. When the tigers went to attack against this crane, they did not know the crane had trained kung fu and was about to beat them up. You probably expect a cat winning against chickens, but nothing beats good teamwork. Here's a demonstration of warthogs protecting their family against hungry leopards. That's what I call a lucky chicken. Imagine what you could do if you had just a third of this dog's confidence. As we all know, horses have very strong kicks, and if you are an annoying little chicken, you get to feel it. Here we have a duck playing hide-and-seek with a tiger in a hilarious way. That's a lot of confidence. This is what happens when you mess with a donkey. They aren't as dumb as they look. Out of every body part he could choose to attack, he chose that? Well, that didn't go as planned. These elephants tried to walk right where these buffaloes were standing, thinking they would leave. Here we have a baboon enjoying a casual bath when he suddenly got attacked by a crocodile. The whole baboon gang came to help, and suddenly, the crocodile wished that he never attacked that long hairy tail. Which clip did you think was the best? Let us know in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe with notifications to make sure you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.